I tell you, whoever publicly acknowledges me before others, the Son of Man, will also acknowledge before the angels of God. But whoever disowns me before others will be disowned before the angels of God. And everyone who speaks a word against the Son of Man will be forgiven. But anyone who blasphemes against the Holy Spirit will not be forgiven. When you are brought before synagogues, rulers and authorities, do not worry about how you will defend yourselves or what you will say, for the Holy Spirit will teach you at that time what you should say.
Kakubor babau turai Duriap bat puson Kano gadakot Kano kakentin Ne ka benta na ka ne ka Kospel Kabasyo jingmut Bat kata ia ka mensin Puson Rikendong ya ka Bat em sengi ya ka Naga phi uta phla khabat ki briu ba udeu jonga ukhunu briu unle kumju ya u hakbat ki anger ublei en rejar balen hakmat ki briu ba umde ujonga ukhunu briu ru unlen ya u hakmat ki anger ublei jar bakran persaya ukhunu briu undang yo jingmap rejar bakran beng persaya mesim bakhui unong yo jingmap Kabaki wan ya lam ya piba entian bisar haki sinakok ne akhbat kilat barki non sinishar wat kuslai kumno pin ya dai la ne ayupin kren oben sim bakhuj un sahikai ya pi hakata kapor ayupi deban kren